Hello, hello, hello. It's Nikki Nanting, and this is our fourth Sunday in May. We've got a great Follies show tonight. Four sets: Sonic Boom Boom, the House Team Messing, Menage a Duo, and House Team Merit. And first up tonight is Sonic Boom Boom. Uh, see, so y'all just come say hi. Let me go down and pull up the picture. Hey, you don't need to just say hi for a second and I'll go
Hi.
away. And
Hi.
Hey, I just came up for a second. That my time is.
yeah.
I overextended my welcome. I
You
apologize.
did, you did. Okay. Oh no, there we go. What happened? Oh no, my picture disappeared. Okay, you guys are just gonna have to take this one.
So,
Okay.
no, not that one.
Sorry, I gotta put. I was a little bit thrown off because my picture that I so carefully put up there disappeared. So, all right, here we go.
I lived in Illinois, Bloomington, Illinois for almost 40 years, and it was a land of corn. And, and they had a festival, a corn festival, right in the middle of town on Main Street. And I got a popcorn stand and started selling popcorn in a clown suit. And so I would sit there uh, with my popcorn machine, and sometimes it was very quiet and slow, and uh, and I didn't move much. And then suddenly I would move and frighten someone half to pieces because they thought I was just part of the scenery. So anyway, I kind of enjoyed that. I took pictures of people going by so I could catch that.
Oh, sweetie, I must have a lot of wax in my ears. I can't hear you.
Oh, thank you. This is going to be a fun movie to watch.
Oh, oh, that's good because usually, you choose these really depressing movies that make me want to stay in bed for a long time. You have that sort of.
Oh, well,
Yeah.
Janice, I'm trying to get you out of the house more.
I know that I'm getting better, right? I mean,
Yes.
it's just I need to be with you all the time.
Yes, you do. And I'm so happy that you do, but it's a really big burden.
I know, but if you can do it for your younger sister, just for a while and until I sort of get my courage back,
Okay.
I'll just shadow you.
We could do that. It's been 3 years. And what's another 3 more years, right?
Right. No,
Yeah. Do anything for you.
thank you, Natalie. Oh God, I don't know what I'd do without you. I guess I'd have to find somebody else to shadow.
Oh, here, have some popcorn.
Oh, oh, thank you. It tastes very bitter. Are you trying to poison me again?
I got something stuck in my teeth. Can you help me here?
Um, actually, I think I think it enhances your beauty. It really is a finishing touch.
No, Sid, I need your help.
Margaret, okay? this is going to be the photo shot to end all photo shots. You're going to be viral. You're going to be bigger than the coronavirus.
It's uncomfortable, Sid.
Imagine people with the coronavirus. You're going to replace that across the spectrum.
I know, this is not feeling good.
Yeah, I got it. And oh, that's the perfect grimace. Okay, get that little thing, get the dangling thing out over there. Oh my God, you are a damn beautiful influencer.
I can't get it out myself.
Yeah,
I can't.
I know it's part of what's going to make this like a big event. I think we can live stream your struggle. This is your dedication is. Will you marry me?
When I was a kid, we used to go up to Lake Ossipee and we would go out on a boat. And I remember seeing these beautiful lily pads in the lake. They were just beautiful. And some of them would have the little flowers. And I would always look for fish because there were little guppies or minnows or whatever they were. And I remember I would try to reach out of the boat, to try to touch the lily pads, but I would get yelled at because you're not supposed to do that. But we would just ride around in this little boat with my grandfather, and I can still smell the gasoline. Even today, when I smell like marine gasoline, it takes me right back there to that beautiful lake in Lake Ossipee and the pretty lily pads at the end.
Grandma, I really get that you miss Grampy but you smoking the same cigars that he did, that's a little bit much for me. I
don't know what you mean. I think it's just charming of me to inspire you with a macho activity.
Yeah, you're definitely the macho of. You're more macho than he is now. I'll tell you that.
Well, thank you, Sonny boy.
And I'm really touched by how you want to keep the family legacy alive. But
thank you, Sonny boy.
Okay, here, let me just catch an ash for you. But but you stink.
Thank you, Sonny boy.
Oh gosh, she's doing it again. That's what he would say, and here you are saying what he would say, and it's keeping the legacy alive, but you stink to high heaven.
Thank you, Sonny boy. I want to be a role model for you, just like my husband was a role model for me.
Yeah, so about this heaven stuff, you planning on going there soon?
Well, I'm in hell right now.
Damn. Okay, truth be told, I miss him and his smell. You, not so much.
Thanks a lot, Sonny boy.
Your crotchetiness is kind of like that family tradition that's just been moved on generation to generation to. So, thank you, Grammy girl.
Well, you're welcome, Sonny boy.
Let's take the boat out, okay?
Sure. Do I get to drive it and steer it this time? Yes? Yeah?
Yeah. We'll get into trouble again.
Yeah. Maybe we'll get arrested.
Maybe. You and I, We'll never get caught.
We're pretty good at being sneaky. I know. I'm gonna let go of the wheel right now, see what happens, okay? Woo! What? Isn't that fun?
Carla,
Yeah?
do you ever get scared doing this stuff?
Nope. Nope. Never scared. Nope.
I admire that about you.
Yeah. I'm not afraid of nothing. I'm gonna see if I can get this boat. We're gonna go so fast, it's gonna stand up on its hind. You ready?
No, Carla, please don't be so brave.
Okay. I don't want to upset you.
I was just hoping. You're very brave, and I admire that, but I was just pretending to be brave.
I didn't know that. Oh, you've just been faking it all this time. Well, I have an idea. Why don't you take the wheel? You can steer the boat. Ready? Here you go. Here you go. Good. Oh, watch out for the water scare over there.
You take it back. You take it back.
So this reminds me of when I was at work, and there was somebody at the office who kept kind of, I don't know, hitting on me, being weird, and I kept telling him to knock it off, and he just wouldn't. It was really upsetting, and so I told him, I said, if you keep doing this, I'm gonna have to, be violent or something. And of course, he didn't believe me. So there we were in the president's office, and he starts like touching me. I just took my foot and smashed his instep, and he never bothered me again.
Bev, need your help.
How? What?
Knock it off while you're crawling on my shoulder. I can't reach it.
I don't see it.
I can feel it.
Lay on your shoulder. I don't see a thing.
Oh, I need some help. You're no help right now.
How can I help you if there's nothing there? You're making things up again.
I can feel it.
You're scaring me with your making things up again.
Somebody else has got to be here besides you, Elizabeth. I need some help.
It's all in your head, I'm telling you. It's all in your head.
Well, thank you for telling me where it is. Get it off. I don't want to touch it.
You don't need anything for your shoulder. You need something for your head.
Oh, I do have a headache. It's giving me a headache. Come on, help me. I'm all alone. I'm here with Elizabeth, but I'm all alone. Help me, Elizabeth.
You're beyond me. You're beyond me. I can't do anything for you.
Ah.
I'm sorry.
Oh,
What is all this screaming? I leave the house for 2 minutes and everything goes to hell. You can't control your children, Natalie.
I know. They're a little loud,
Little loud.
but they're just having fun, Sharon.
My eardrums are vibrating. That's how much fun
Vibrating.
they're having.
They're just, they're just
There they go.
What? Did you hear? You
Your kids are yelling again. You don't hear them? Of course you hear them. Oh, you're faking again, Natalie. You just deny. I mean, God, there it goes again.
Oh, Sharon, when you asked us to move in here, I told you that the children might occasionally act up, and you said, "Don't worry, it's fine. I'll roll with it." But it doesn't seem like you're rolling with it.
No, I'm not rolling with it. I'm glad you noticed that. And it's not occasionally. It's like 3 minutes, like now again. No, I mean, I'm going crazy. I'm going to go crazy.
So, what do you want me to do? Put socks in their mouths? I mean, honestly, they're kids.
You know, I've done everything. I've taken candle wax and I've stuck candle wax into my ears and I still hear them.
Stop it.
See, now you hear them. Now I hear them now.
I don't hear a thing.
You finally took a stand. You finally told them to stop it. See?
Knock it off. I mean,
You know, all I have to say.
Yeah.
Ah!
That looks good. Really good. Yummy.
you look hungry.
I am.
Not
I like some.
anymore. Ethel, you do the best.
God,
I got something.
I know. I got.
Me too.
Harry, hand me the floss, huh?
I used it all up.
Oh, for frick's sake, Harry. It's always, me. Let me go find some floss then.
I gotta get out of the house. I gotta get out of the house. I gotta get out of the house.
Gotta get out of the house.
I feel so cooped up. These four walls are driving me crazy.
I feel like they're closing in. That's exactly how I feel.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
You stink. Thanks for leaving. No, oh, no. You smell like, rain on a spring afternoon, infused with cigar smoke.
I distinctly heard you say I stink.
Well, there are times when that's absolutely, yes, you did. I said it, okay?
Looks like you're sleeping on the couch tonight, pal.
The inside couch or the outside couch?
Oh, the outside couch. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, spring rain.
Yes? You called?
Sweetheart, I need you to rub my foot and get me some hot tea. And I feel like a little massage, and I want the channel on the TV changed. That's all.
I'd be happy to help, Mrs. Quinoa.
Yeah, thank you.
Of course.
You're just sitting there, though.
I know, but I'm thinking about helping.
I know, but it's so stormy. I can't even hear you. This is terrible. Oh my God. I know, and the fish keep jumping in too, and then I can't hear a thing. Oh my God. Oh God, don't keep throwing fish on me. Oh my God. Look, I'll be able to hear you better. If you just turn on the megaphone. Oh my God. Ah!
Hey, give me some of that.
They're lily pads. They're the best.
Oh, what about this?
Oh, the finest.
Yeah, you smell.
Mm.
Hey, what's that on your shoulder? Do you want me to get that for you? You've got a big bug on your shoulder.
Thank you. Yes.
Hold on.
Oh, that hurt.
Yeah, you can have a mark. I'm sorry.
I'm feeling very brave today. But I can't hear you.
And there you go.
Oh, good.
I can only focus on one thing at a time, but you know that.
Are you feeling brave? Because I'm feeling so brave. I want to try something new, like going to the grocery store.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Let's try the superstore too. You'll be great.
Oh,
Yeah.
I'm so excited.
Yeah, just stay away from the produce section because that's
Oh, not ready for produce. No. No. Not produce.
too confusing.
Oh, yes. And bugs. Oh, lots of bugs.
Yeah.
Woo.
It jumps out at you.
Woo.
Corn? You
Oh,
want a
I
nice
thank you. I love corn. Thank you, Mrs. Ossipee.
Oh, Mrs. Bertrand. I just love it when we get together in these backyard cookouts.
Oh yeah, I don't hear any of the neighbor gossip or anything unless I get to see you, Mrs. Ossipee.
And I don't know if you knew, but I think they've been talking about your son a lot and you.
Okay, I guess my ears were ringing.
Yeah, I think you better give away some of that corn that you have on your side too. And they'll
Well,
stop.
okay, wow. I didn't realize I was so interesting to the neighbors.
Totally.
If not for you, Mrs. Ossipee.
Hmm. Hmm.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Wow.
Hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Would you like a floss?
I guess, yeah, I need some floss. Guys, thank you. I'd be crying too if I had that stuff between my teeth. That's the show! So, go ahead and introduce yourselves, everybody.
I'm David from Amesbury, Massachusetts.
I'm Michelle from outside Boston.
I'm Lynn from Rotunda, West Florida.
Outside Seattle.
I'm Susan from just north of Boston.
And I'm Joan from the planet Pluto.
What did you just say? From where?
Planet Pluto.
Planet Pluto! Woohoo! Welcome, Joan! This is Sonic Boom Boom. They're here every fourth Sunday, and points elsewhere, sometimes in between. Thanks for being with us tonight. Hang on. At 8:30 is House Team Messing, followed by Menage a Duo. David, who's there next to me, is going to be helping me host some tonight because we have a busy time. So you may see him saying goodbye instead of me. We'll just wait and see what exciting surprises. Thank you, everybody. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Mickey.
Bye.